Okay, here is my website. This is littlepawacres.org. I've got my homepage up here, the blog, contact information, the store. This is the way that we set it up in our initial setup. We've got trained puppies here. If you click on the link, which my website's been going super slow, it comes to this dog here who's 11 months old. I've got a little bit of information about him. And we can go back home, and then we can click here on dams and sires, which gives us our male, which is Laffy, and our female to our current litter, which is Mercedes. I just realized that this is showing this. I don't know why, and I'll have to fix that. But it got a little story about both of them there. And then we can click here on our golden retrievers. This is our current litter. So we've got a picture, 2 pictures of the whole litter here, and then I've got all 4 of the girls and all 4 of the boys right there. And then down here it's got categories and archives, which I don't really have anything there yet. And I also have this golden doodle pups, which this link doesn't go to anywhere yet because we don't have any golden doodles at the moment. And to be completely honest, I'm too tired to try to put that in. So tonight, before the deadline. Down here it shows available puppies. These prices, in the good old days, we used to sell our dogs for this much, but we don't now, which is why I have them listed here, because I don't really want to sell them online by the click of a button. We've got our health guarantee that says that we're guaranteeing our dogs for 2 years from any birth defects. We don't use puppy mills, and we will travel to deliver. And within reason, we live about 3 hours away from any big city, so we'll travel 3 hours to a city for free. We won't charge for that, but anything beyond that we generally do. Some contact information down here. So pretty basic at this point. I do certainly want to update it more, and will update it more as time goes by, but that's all you get for now.